Doing the poison cookie
from Roblox.
So let's open it. It's already clean. It was cleaned, right?
Yeah, we cleaned it.
There's milk. We're gonna dip it.
If you want.
Yeah. I'll do it separately.
Separate it. Get the other one.
Make sure don't cheat, huh?
I promise.
This one cracked.
A little.
Let's separate it.
I'll just eat this cookie. Just kidding.
No. Let's go.
Wait.
3,
2, 1.
1. Wait, let's make it far. Okay, 2, 1, go. You go first.
Boom.
No, not boom. Like this. You just gonna point it. Only one. Done?
Wait. Only one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
Turn back. Okay, let's go. Start. I'll go first.
Okay.
Stay safe if it's not the poison.
I know.
Safe?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you next. Poison.
I knew it, bro. Again.
Again, another one. Go. Done? Done?
Yeah.
Okay, me next. Turn back. Okay, next. Okay, you're...
Okay.
Chip.
Take it.
Safe.
You.
Okay, me next.
Serve. And if you eat your poison one, that means you already lose, okay? If you accidentally eat your poisoned one.
Okay, eat your... Okay, you next.
Wait, you didn't try yet. Safe.
Poison.
You always pick this. Pick another one again.
Okay, go. Turn back. Done.
Is it a different one?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, again. Go. Done?
Make no check.
But I didn't saw it earlier. Okay, let's start. Go. See?
Safe.
You next.
I'm not eating that. I guess it's a tie because both of them are poison.
Eat it.
But you're poisoned.
It's not poison.
But it's yours.
I picked this.
We're both poisoned.
No, I picked this.
That's mine.
Rock, paper, scissors. I got you. Yours and this is from Mommy Alma. Thank you, Alma.
Thank you. We were playing poison.
Manitaw. We got donut.
Yeah. it's a little cold, right? My turn. Just this there for 1 second, so it's okay.
Do you want to eat more? Something salty? Or no?
Do we even have a salty snack?
I'm here.
Okay.
A small one.
We can play the boom boom cash game.
If it's cash, you give me cash, okay?
No, okay, never mind. It's just boom boom na lang. Cause cash, we don't have cash. We didn't even bring.
Let's do mukbang.